Now let's talk about histograms. Histogram is going to help us display data to see the frequency of its occurrences. Let's say that you would like to know the distribution of the bill depth. Okay, which one is the most repeated, which one is the least repeated. Let's see how we can do that using histograms. We are going to call the following method, which is called hist plot. We will pass it data equals penguins. Let's pass it the data that we would like to see its frequency. Let's say the flipper length. Okay, now we have the flipper length here, and we're done. Now, if I try to plot it, oh, sorry, it's not penguins, it's dataset. Okay, now as you can see here, we can see the repetitions. You can see that a flipper length between 190 and 195 is the most repeated. And we can see that a flipper length between 170 and 180 is the least common and the least repeated, at least for that dataset. So by that we can extract a lot of statistical information just by plotting these one by one. Let's try plotting something like the body mass maybe. So if we plot the body mass, we will see that the most common body mass is around 3,700 grams, which is around 3.7 kilograms. And the least common ones is around 6,000. How about we depict something similar to histogram, which is called KDE plot. Now KDE plot is really beautiful as well. So I'm going to say KDE plot. And we are going to pass the same parameters. We have data is equal to data set, and we have x is equal to body underscore mass underscore gram. Now, as you can see here, we are getting this nice line right here. Now, if I add a parameter like shade equals true, you'll see that now we have this nice graph like this. It's smoothing it out to see the distribution better. It's smoothing it out so that we can see a more beautiful distribution. And by that, we have learned how we can use histograms and KDE plots.